What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, if not, welcome to the channel. So you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be checking velocities and accuracy of these here Winchester Defender rounds, 124 grain plus P, 9mm. They at the muzzle they're supposed to be 1,200 feet per second. Yeah, we'll see that. So there's your little ballistics down there in the bottom corner there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Alright. What I'm using today is my Glock 17 Gen 4 lower stock barrel OEM parts into the slide here. And it's just the RMR 06 made by Trijicon on top here. So yeah, I'm gonna get 5 of these loaded up, get the party started. So what we're gonna do, like in my previous videos, is I'm going to shoot 5 through the chronograph into the target. I'm 10 yards from the target, I'm 10 feet from the chronograph. Then we'll go check those out, and then we'll come over here and shoot one into these jugs over here and see what it looks like. So that's what they look like. I got 5 loaded up. Round indicator on the back of the OEM mag here. Let's get this party started, right, bud?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. $12.51. I forgot to add that into the, I forgot to turn that on. All right, so we got 12.51 on the first one. 12.37. 12.50. 12.34. And 12.60. See, that's a little bit over what they're advertising, right? So they're advertising 1,200. They must be using a 3-inch barrel or something, because barrel length does affect velocity. So let's go check it out. All right, so here we are, folks. So there's my 5 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Pulled one, and the rest of them, if I get rid of that flyer there, the one I pulled is still roughly about 3 inches at that distance, 10 yards. So I want to take this, and we'll go up there and get ready for the water shot. So I'll be right back. All right, folks, back here at 10 feet, got water jugs up there. We're going to put this here around here into those water jugs and see what it does. Ready, sir?
Yep.
And we're clear. Mag out, pointing away from us. Woo! All right, so I take, this was jug 1. Yeah. There's your little entrance there. Come out the back screaming. Pretty fast round. Jug 2. There's your entrance there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And there's your exit. Ripped it up, put a nice hole in the back of it. Jug 3. There's your entrance there. And your exit's down here towards the bottom. Looks like it ripped it a little bit, and I don't see it. Jug 4. Nothing. Looks like it's something hit it right there. Maybe it scooted down. Oh, there we go. So this jug here was up here in the front. This is on the side. So the bullet came through the front 3, started getting a little left on me. skid off of this one, hit this jug here, and there we have it right there. Kablamo! Ain't that pretty? Looks pretty nice. I like that. It's got a little asterisk looking thing in there. Peel back nice and good. There's the base of it. And there you have it, folks. I like it. It's, you know, but of course we know water doesn't show exactly how they would do. Even gel ain't 100% what it would do when it hits a person. Because you may or may not hit a rib or whatever, blah, 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 and all that. There you have it. Thing goes a little bit faster than they're advertised, but of course it could be for a shorter barrel pistol. Who knows? Because that Glock's got like a 4-inch barrel, 4 point something, whatever barrel. Yeah, that's that. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to comment, do that down below. But hey, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Stay strong out there, everybody.